Welcome student in fourth session from your textbook chapter number 11, the human eye and the colorful world. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the dispersion of light and atmospheric refraction. So today we are going to discuss about the scattering of light. Scattering of light means to throw light in various random direction. Light is scattered when it falls on various types of suspended particles in its path. Okay, so light scattered होती है जब वो various types के suspended particles पे जब वो falls होती है. Depending on the size of particles, the scattering can be of white sunlight as such, or if the colored lights which make up the white sunlight, as we will study after a while, the blue color of the sky and the red color of the sun at sunrise and at sunset can be explained on the basis of scattering of light caused by the earth atmosphere or air. So we will first describe the Tyndall effect. The scattering of light by particles in its path is called Tyndall effect. When a beam of sunlight enters a dusty room through a window, जब बीम से सनलाइट इंटर्स होती है एक डस्टी रूम में थ्रू ए विंडो, so then its path becomes visible to us. तो आपको उसका जो पाथ है वो विजिबल दिखता है. Because the tiny dust particles present in the air of room scatter the beam of light all around the room. Small particles रहते हैं तो रूम में वो स्कैटर करते हैं. Clear this one? And when this scattered light enters our eye, और जब वो स्कैटर लाइट अपनी आईज में इंटर होती है, so we can see the beam of light. तो तब आप beam of light देख सकते हो. Thus an example of Tyndall effect. So this is an example of Tyndall effect is the way of beam of sunlight becomes visible. Okay, जो sunlight की beam वो visible होती है as it passes through dust particle. अगर वो dust particle के through वो passes होती है, okay, in the air of a room. So Tyndall effects can also be observed when sunlight passes through the canopy of a dense forest. Here that tiny water droplets in the mist scattered sunlight. So we have just studied the spectrum of sun's white light which consists of 7 colors. सनलाइट को जब किसी ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम से पास कराया जाता है तो वो 7 कलर्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्पेक्ट्रम. So if we look at the spectrum of the white sunlight, we will observe that the reds and blues are very predominant in it. So red colored light has a longer wavelength but the blue colored light has a shorter wavelength. या रेड कलर की जो वेवलेंथ है वो लॉन्गर होती है और ब्लू कलर की जो वेवलेंथ रहती है वो शॉर्ट रहती है. सो इनफैक्ट द वेवलेंथ ऑफ ब्लू लाइट इज ऑलमोस्ट हाफ दैट ऑफ द रेड लाइट. मीन्स जो ब्लू कलर की जो वेवलेंथ है वो हाफ रहती है रेड के. ओके, in 1859 in an attempt to explain the blue color of the sky, means sky blue color का क्यों रहता है, Tyndall discovered that when white light consisting of 7 colors is passed through a clear liquid having a small suspended particle in it, then the blue color of light having shorter wavelength is scattered much more than the red color having longer wavelength. Means white light है जो consist of 7 color जब उसको पास कराया जाता है clear liquid having small suspended particles से, तो blue color लाइट हैविंग द शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ, तो ब्लू कलर की जो लाइट है उसकी वेवलेंथ शॉर्टर रहती है तो वो स्कैटर्ड ज्यादा होती है. जिसकी वेवलेंथ कम होगी तो वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्कैटर्ड होती है. ओके, एज कम्पेयर टू द रेड कलर. रेड कलर हैविंग द लॉन्गर वेवलेंथ, इसलिए वो रेड कलर स्कैटर्ड कम होता है. क्लियर दिस वन? ब्लू लाइट हैज शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ सो इट इज स्कैटर्ड मोर इजीली. उसकी वेवलेंथ शॉर्टर इसलिए वो इजीली स्कैटर्ड हो जाती है. ऑन द अदर हैंड रेड लाइट है लॉन्गर वेवलेंथ सो इट इज नॉट स्कैटर्ड मच. जो रेड लाइट है उसकी वेवलेंथ ज्यादा रहती है तो वो इजीली स्कैटर्ड नहीं होता. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स द ब्लू कलर्ड लाइट प्रेजेंट इन व्हाइट सनलाइट इज स्कैटर्ड मच मोर इजीली देन द रेड लाइट. Okay, so in fact the blue color present in sunlight is scattered 10 times more than the red light. Clear this one? Now next point, why the sky is blue. The scattering of blue component of the white sunlight by air molecules present in the atmosphere causes the blue color of the sky. Means जो white sunlight में जो blue color present रहता है, okay, so वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्केटर होता है by the air molecules which is present in the atmosphere and that's why it causes the blue color of the sky. Clear this one? क्योंकि blue color की जो लाइट है उसकी वेवलेंथ कम होती है, इसके लिए वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा scattered होता है. The sunlight is made up of 7 colored light mixed together. You know very well that. So when sunlight passes through the atmosphere, most of the longer wavelength light such as red, orange, yellow, etc. present in it do not get scattered. तो जो longer wavelength की जो light है जैसे red, yellow, orange, wavelength ज़्यादा है तो वो ज़्यादा scattered नहीं हो पाती. Do not get scattered much by the air molecules and hence pass straight through. तो ये इजीली स्ट्रेट पास आउट हो जाती. सो द शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ ब्लू लाइट इज हाउएवर स्कैटर्ड ऑल अराउंड द स्काई बाय एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. विच एवर डायरेक्शन वी लुक सम ऑफ दिस स्कैटर्ड ब्लू लाइट इंटर्स अवर आईज. तो मीन्स किसी भी डायरेक्शन में जब आप देखते हो सो दैट ब्लू लाइट इंटर्स इनटू अवर आईज. क्लियर दिस वन. So since we see the blue light from everywhere overhead, so the sky looks blue. Clear this one? So thus the sky appears blue because the molecules in the air, okay, nitrogen and oxygen molecules like that, so scatter blue part of the sunlight much more than they scattered red light or other shaded. So note that only a little of the blue light present in white sunlight is scattered by the atmosphere, which makes the sky appear blue. Clear this one? So most of the blue light remains behind the unscattered, due to which the composition of sunlight remains almost unaltered. Because of this, the direct sunlight coming through the blue sky still appears to be white. Okay, so if the earth had no atmosphere consisting of air, so there would have been no scattering of sunlight at all. अगर अर्थ में एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं होगा तो स्कैटरिंग पॉसिबल नहीं होगी, तो सनलाइट की स्कैटरिंग पॉसिबल नहीं होंगी. क्लियर दिस वन. सो इन दैट केस नो लाइट फ्रॉम द स्काई वुड हैव इंटर्ड अवर आईज एंड द स्काई वुड हैव लुक्ड डार्क एंड ब्लैक टू अस. एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं होगा तो स्काई कैसा दिखेगा? डार्क एंड ब्लैक टू अस. इफ आउटर स्पेस the sky looks dark and black instead of blue. So this is because there is no atmosphere containing air in the outer space to scatter sunlight. So since there is no scattered light to reach our eyes in outer space, so therefore the sky looks dark and black there. क्योंकि वहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं है आउटर स्पेस में, इसलिए स्काई जो है वो ब्लू नहीं दिखता, डार्क और ब्लैक दिखता है. दिस इज वाई द एस्ट्रोनॉट हु गो टू आउटर स्पेस फाइंड द स्काई टू बी डार्क एंड ब्लैक इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लू. इसीलिए उनको ब्लैक और डार्क स्काई दिखता है. क्लियर दिस वन. सो वी नो दैट danger signal lights are red in color. So this is because the red colored light having longer wavelength is the least scattered by fog or smoke particles. So due to this the red light can be seen in the same color even from a distance. Clear this one? मतलब जो रेड कलर है वो कम स्कैटर होता है, इसलिए फोग और स्मोक में भी वो सेम कलर का ही दिखता है. क्लियर. Why the sun appears red at sunrise and sunset? The sun and the surrounding sky appear red at sunrise and at sunset because at that time most of the blue color present in sunlight has been scattered out and away from our line of sight, so leaving behind mainly red color in the direct sunlight beam that reaches our eyes. So, at the time of sunrise and sunset, when the sun is near the horizon, okay, the sunlight has to travel the greatest distance through the atmosphere to reach us. जो sunlight है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा distance को travel करती है to reach us. So during the long journey of sunlight, most of the shorter wavelength blue color present in it is scattered out and away from our line of sight. So the light reaching us directly from the rising sun or setting sun consists mainly of longer wavelength red color, due to which the sun appears red. So due to the same reason the sky surrounding the rising sun and setting sun also appears red. So thus at sunrise and sunset the sun itself as well as the surrounding sky appears red. So we will now discuss why the sun appears white when it is overhead in the sky. So when the sun is overhead as at noon, so then the light coming from the sun has to travel a relatively shorter distance. तो जब अपने overhead पे sun रहता है तो shorter distance travel करती है, थ्रू द एटमॉस्फेयर टू रीच अस, मीन्स वो कम डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करके एटमॉस्फेयर से अपने पास पहुंचती है. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस शॉर्टर जर्नी ऑफ सनलाइट ओनली अ लिटिल ऑफ द ब्लू कलर ऑफ द व्हाइट लाइट इज स्कैटर, most of the blue light remains in it. So since the light coming from the overhead sun has almost all its component colors in the right proportion, so therefore the sun in the sky overhead appears white to us. Thank you.